Welcome to Mr. Giant Reacts and Ting and Ting and Ting. I'm Mr. Giant and I'm back with another reaction for you. And several people sent me this to react to. There's violin and legend here. And I do believe I reacted to two different videos of him. But this one here have been sent to me several times. I said I have to listen to it. Stanojevic. Stanojevic. My Millis, oh shoot, I think mom. It's a short I've seen several times for this guy. But anyway, this guy is a boss violin player. So let's go ahead and YouTube some simmer and see why so many people send me this specific one to take a look at. Oh yeah, I like this. Oh. Whoa. Okay, now this is a, I do believe it's a Woody Woodpecker theme, and I'll be honest with you, I never was much of a cartoon watcher when I was a kid, you know. When I was a kid, I was busy going to the beach, you know what I mean, going crab hunting or crab gathering or going fishing, snorkeling, spear fishing and stuff, you know. So I was doing all that stuff, you know. Uh, I've never actually watched a Woody Woodpecker cartoon in my life. I know that sounds kind of strange, but my son, I guess, used to watch some of it because I used to walk to the living room and hear it playing in the background and stuff. But a lot of the things that a lot of kids did, I did. This year, though, it was so smooth, man. Oh, that was really smooth. I enjoyed it. I see why people wanted me to watch this year, and several people suggested it. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. You know what I mean? This guy is so smooth with that violin. So smooth. So crisp. And the playing style is so pristine. What else could I say? You know what I mean? When you listen to other people play, it's just not as smooth. You know what I mean? And it seems like he's doing it. It's so simple for him. You know what I mean? By just listening to it, you could just tell he's just standing there like nobody's business, just playing. You know what I'm saying? I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, drop a like on the video, comment down below. Please share the video so that people know it's a giant is reacting to Serbian music and Romanian music and culture and stuff like that. I do have some Romanian uh, videos to react to, and I will be getting to those here shortly. In the meantime, man, y'all take care of each other. Let's try to bring some peace in this world, okay?